This is another problem that was presented from a student. So we're going to look for places where this is increasing, decreasing, absolute maximum, and absolute minimum. So it might be helpful to we could look at the graph, but we're trying to find these. Let's just take a look at some parts of this function. We have this m of x equals negative 27x over x squared plus 9. So it looks like there's no place that the denominator is 0. That's a good thing. The numerator is 0 at 0, because that's where it crosses. And so I was wondering if there's a way, without going into like calculus, to evaluate this, but it looks like our peak values are just going to go from the graph. So like this here, and maybe this here, that's a low value. And so I'm looking at negative 3 and positive 3. And let's just plug some numbers in here. It looks like it is increasing up to that point, and then it goes down, then it goes up again. So our increased intervals, we could say negative infinity to negative 3, union 3 to infinity. And decreasing is just, it's going to be from that point, negative 3, from x equals negative 3 to positive 3. So negative 3 to 3. And then if we look at absolute maximum, that's a high point. So that's going to be when at x equals negative 3. And if we plug that value in, m of negative 3 is going to be negative 27 times negative 3 over negative 3 squared plus 9. So that's going to be 81 on top over 18 on bottom. Is that right? 3 squared is 9. So, excuse me, what's 81 divided by 18 is my big question to everyone. So 81 divided by 18 is 4.5. And it looks like about a 4.5. So we'll say the absolute max is 4.5. And it's likely going to be symmetric down below. So let's look at that m of 3, not negative 3, m of 3. It's going to be negative 27 times 3 over 3 squared plus 9. So it's negative 81 over 18, so that's going to be negative 4.5. So negative 4.5 at x equals 3. So I hope that is correct. Looks correct to me. In calculus, there are ways we can find those by taking derivatives, but we don't have that option at this point. So I believe they're having us look at it graphically and inspecting it. Okay, I hope that helps.